Hey guys, something really bad happened just now, and I am going to vlog about it. So we're pretty far away from home, middle of nowhere, and the Corvette here decided to break down. It's like literally I am. But I'll show you what happened. Okay? Are you guys ready? Do you see what's wrong here? There is a big ass hole and air intake. Like, I don't even know how that happened. Look at this. So what happened was we're driving and the car stopped. Like, it turned off, completely turned off. It won't turn on. So we popped the hood and saw that there was a plastic pieces, and I think engine sucked it in with some of the plastic pieces. I'll show you the pieces. See, it's pretty big chunks, and yeah, big part is missing, so it went inside the engines. We have to rebuild the engine now. Yeah, obviously I am going to be really busy with the changes that's happening with my life, so it will probably be like project for like I don't know, probably be like project after S13. Yeah, I wasn't even supposed to be filming right now, so I don't even have a gimbal, so I am so sorry if the video was too shaky for you guys, because I'm literally filming this video with my cell phone. So alright, I changed into something more comfortable because I'm gonna be here for a while. It's getting dark. Fuck. Okay, let's talk about it. Has anyone experienced this? Is it pretty common, or am I the only unlucky person on the planet? I haven't seen something like this before. I'm gonna explain what happened. So we had a red light and we were accelerating, and suddenly the smoke came out of the back and it stopped running. Sorry about the noise. I am literally on the side of the road. Sorry, but yes, it stopped running and it would not turn on. And I popped the hood and you guys saw that, right? Yes. The plastic piece went inside the engine. Oh, there's a fireworks. I don't know if you can see, but can you see like fireworks over there? Wow, it would have been better if I wasn't broken down on the side of the road. Yeah, but good thing happened as well. I had a really good time in Phoenix, and I am so excited to tell you guys, but I got a job. Your girl got a job. But yes, hopefully this will not hurt my bank. But common sense tells me this is gonna be a full built head at least. So it's probably gonna be really expensive. And I will not be just working on it like, soon. So it's gonna be a long process, I think. So right now we're waiting for a tow truck. The tow truck is gonna take us to the closest repair shop, I believe. Then here comes the, what is it? Saver? Is it Saver? Well, Ramon is the goat, so he's gonna come get us. It's like 2 hours away from home, but he's gonna come get us. Thanks to Ramon. I appreciate you. Arigatou gozaimasu.
To me, this isn't really a bad thing. I think it's a good thing. It gives us an excuse to finally build this car. And did you tell him you're getting a new daily at some point anyway? So
no.
So yeah, so it's fate. It's fate, and this is why I say it's not a bad thing. So
yeah, I am getting a new car.
Yeah, so we went to the dealership, found another car that she's gonna get since she's gonna be in Phoenix. So She's not abusing any of the other cars.
True.
And
True.
it's a crummy little car. I mean, it's a newer car, but
Yeah.
it's the newest car you got. And yeah.
Yeah.
Now that you don't need to drive this ever, the FD ever, the Miata ever, the S13 ever.
The new car is gonna be a huge surprise to you guys, though.
Oh yeah, you guys will love it. We can build this thing. We can finally get this out, throw a single turbo on there. There's no reason we shouldn't, except finances.
That's the big part. That's the biggest part, though.
Yeah, I know.
But your bitch got a job. It's getting dark.
It's getting pretty dark.
Oh, right.
All right.
Shit.
All right, see you when the tow truck gets here.
Ready?
Yeah.
All right.
Yo, what the fuck?
Yo, what the fuck?
Yo, what the fuck?
Yo, what the fuck? It turned on?
Yo, wait a minute. That thing is struggling though. Shut it off. It's probably a terrible idea.
Yeah, it is. Probably a terrible
Why are we
idea.
stupid as fuck? Yeah, it is. It's not supposed to be camming like that, huh?
No.
Fuck. Well, dude, at least it starts. We should. I mean, if it wasn't camming like. Oh, I'm sorry. If it wasn't camming like that,
Yeah.
I would try to drive it to the gas station so I could take a dump.
Oh, you gotta do the, huh?
I gotta doo-doo.
I give you the napkin, you know?
Hey, it's for Uncle Gary.
Oh. Yeah, you know, Kane saves lives.
Kane saves lives, Gary. Oh my goodness.
Fuck. You gotta doo-doo.
Bro, I am so stoked that it started. Because originally I'm just like...
I thought it was blown, to be honest.
Well, yeah, when you ingest little chunks of plastic, you'll usually have
Typically, yeah.
big chunks of plastic.
Fuck. But good thing is it starts still, so yeah, we just have to, you know, I don't know, take it all apart and see what's inside.
And while it's apart, might as well just go big.
Yeah.
Might as
Bitch,
well.
I thought finally I was like making money, you know, then car broke down like every time.
At least now you don't have to like sell vinyls to, you know.
I mean, it was working though.
It was.
Yeah, it was working.
Yeah,
so.
I mean, shout out to the people supporting the vinyl.
I know,
the
thank
vinyl
you
hustle.
so much. Thank you.
Bro, it started.
It did. That's the crazy part.
I wonder if we could just pull the valve covers, because when it happened, when the smoke came out, I
Yeah.
noticed it said reduced engine power, so maybe it went into like self-preservation, which is why it wouldn't really start. So yeah, this is great news.
Okay.
I mean, it's bad news.
It's pretty bad
but it's great news
that it started. Yes.
that it started. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Y'all. Why are we so like excited?
Because we know, because we're both kind of like bummed out because we're in the middle of the desert, but at the same time we're just like built motor. Like, oh, because we've been talking about it for so long. It's like, oh, it'd be really cool to build the Vette motor.
Yeah.
But we have to do
I
that.
still have to get a furniture.
No excuse now.
Yeah.
No excuses. Nut up or shut up.
Fuck.
Let's just slap. Okay. Do a like when the YouTubers are just like, tell me in the comments, you want a big cam nitrous build or a single turbo build? Ooh, Chinese turbos, of course.
Okay.
Hell, unless somebody's trying to sponsor something. Nah, I'll go to China all day. China.
But yes. Well, let me know in the comment down below what you would like to see. Yeah, since we're doing it, so.
Yeah, might as well. I mean, might as well freaking send it.
2 hours later.
Okay, someone got a idea.
Okay,
Alright, go ahead.
it's a little bitty plastic. It's plastic, right? It's thin.
Yes.
I reached into the intake manifold and pulled the big chunks out.
Yeah, you did.
I think, so it started. My logic is it's a little bitty pieces of plastic. If they got in there, you know, they're in there doing their crunchy thing and they'll be either standing there or spitting out.
Yeah.
Motor's gotta come apart anyway. But I left the math unplugged.
Mm-hmm.
I'll bet if I plug it back in, the car will run fine.
Okay.
And if it does, I'm so tired of waiting on this truck. Especially when I have a truck that we can load this thing up on.
Yeah.
We're gonna just try to hit it, bro. We're just gonna send it.
All right.
We're just gonna send it. You down? Is that okay? Do I have your consent?
Yeah.
All right.
Let's do it.
Okay.
All right. Go ahead.
Let's just get this thing back on. Oh, you know what? That guy who stopped had the screwdriver?
Yeah.
And I should be able to set this thing back on. Bruh.
Pretty bright. We decided to drive home. Hopefully we make
did
it
we?
home.
We're going home?
I thought we are. Well, it's drivable. It's not perfect, but we're gonna send it. All right, we're taking a risk. We are gonna drive to Hillebend.
Honestly, it feels fine.
It feels fine. Okay, but it's not perfect, so yeah, we're not gonna drive to home, but we're gonna meet Ramon at Hillebend, right?
Yeah.
Meeting point.
So, just a little bit of guidance here. If you're ever in this situation and something like that breaks and something may have been ingested into your engine, never drive it because you're only going to cause more problems than good. We're in a unique situation where we have the tools, the skills, and the finances to rebuild this, so we're just going to send it.
But either way, we're gonna rebuild the engine.
We're at least going to open it up and see what the damage is, because right now it feels fine.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, yeah. Let's see what it is. But yeah, again, if you're ever in this situation,
Don't do it.
don't drive. Just wait on your tow truck. In fact, I need to call the tow truck and cancel it. So
Yeah,
all right.
true.
See
All
you
right.
when we get to Hillebend.
Bye. You don't want to be in it? All right. We made it to a gas station. We managed to turn the car on and drove it.
I managed.
Oh, he did. Okay. But we made it to gas station and we're meeting Ramon here. So I am safe to say we're, pretty good. Yeah.
I'm down to drive it all the way back home. What you think?
I mean, I feel like we can make it.
We cannot?
We can.
I think we can.
I think we can.
Same thing happened. We drove the Miata home on 2 cylinders.
True. So what do you think? Probably, maybe?
Yeah,
Should we?
Down, man. Yeah.
Well, it was running pretty good.
Yeah, it was consistent, just lower RPMs. It's kind of
Yeah.
but
Nothing too crazy. We didn't, drive like something we would normally.
normally.
Something, we normally. Okay. What do you think? We should drive it?
Drive it.
All right. Well, we're gonna be back in the car, going back home. Fingers crossed. Bye. Hey guys, just a quick outro because I forgot to film an outro. But yes, we made it home safely with a Corvette. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. I see you in the next one. Mata ne!